Okay guys, good afternoon. So the Nasdaq decided to go short, guys. Nasdaq just went down and we shorted 9 contracts here. We're gonna try to exit this trade right now. Okay guys, done. The market just tanked over here and I confused myself and not bought here, and it was as a short selling, so need to recoup this loss here. So this was a great trade. We are
brick setup.
40 minutes to the close. The market can keep on tanking here, but as you can see here, no volume. It was a quick trade over here. Was no volume. It's high frequency traders hitting the tape, and they hit the tape too over here on the ultra bonds. You see here was short. It was short everything, guys. It was short everything. So I decided to take the short here and risk a little bit more. Made good trades in the morning, so had a caution. So this is what pays off, guys. You need to have patience. You need to have patience. Wait for the market to give you the best opportunity. Okay, so over here, these guys were just, they were trying to push the market higher from here. And you see this
brick setup.
Okay, you see the support and
Long
resistance
signal
here.
and Q.
You see the market hit again. They hit the support here. I mean the resistance, and
long signal
we
and
see
Q.
a high volume line here from the visual imbalance.
Long signal and Q.
We had well, if you could have got it over here, guys, it was a good 20 ticks at least for the ES, and well, the market just didn't want to go anywhere. We see the boxes hitting the everywhere. There was a completely market that was stalled
brick
there.
setup.
And I saw when the price was going up, I saw lots of big sellers in the tape, and the market was going up, and sellers hitting the tape 50 50 50 30 40 50 50, and the only ones that can do that are the the institutions. So these guys were hitting the tape even though market was going up. Is what I tell you, guys. It's always the same thing. These guys, they already know everything. These guys, they already know that they're gonna dump the market.
Brick setup.
Imagine hitting all those contracts. You see 500 contracts, 800 contracts. Do the math at 1250 a tick. These guys are incredible. How these guys really play with a retail trader. They try to make you think that the market is gonna go up and it's gonna go down. But as always, guys, I'm reading the tape because I really
short signal and
like
Q.
to know what the market is gonna do. So it's very complicated for me to make a trade and not be confident on what the market will do, because you will lose. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. Was a great trade. I waited all day long for this trade. I just didn't like the price action. Nasdaq was all over the place, just congesting, hitting the ATRs and just rebounding, making boxes all over the place. So it was not a way to trade. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information.